In this video, we will explore the world of Persian saffron, a spice that is highly valued for its unique flavor, aroma, and color. Saffron is a spice that is highly valued for its unique flavor, aroma, and color. It is derived from the stigma of the Crocus sativus flower, which blooms for only a few weeks each year. Each stigma is hand-picked and dried to produce saffron threads. It takes about 75,000 saffron flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron, which is why it is one of the most expensive spices in the world. Persian saffron, also known as Iranian saffron, is considered to be the best quality saffron in the world. It is grown in the Khorasan province of Iran, which has the perfect climate and soil conditions for saffron cultivation. Persian saffron has a deep red color, strong aroma, and a distinctive flavor that is unmatched by any other variety of saffron. So, why is Persian saffron good to use? Well, besides its unique flavor and aroma, saffron has many health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against cell damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In traditional medicine, saffron has been used to treat a range of ailments, from depression to menstrual cramps. Saffron is not just a delicious and flavorful spice, but it also has numerous health benefits. Here are some of the advantages of using saffron. Rich in antioxidants. Saffron is rich in antioxidants, which are important for maintaining overall health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Saffron has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it useful for people with conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory diseases. Mood enhancer. Saffron has been shown to have mood-enhancing properties and is often used as a natural remedy for depression and anxiety. Pain reliever. Saffron has been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever. It has been shown to be effective in reducing pain associated with conditions such as menstrual cramps and headaches. Digestive aid. Saffron has been used for centuries as a digestive aid. It helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and can be helpful in relieving symptoms such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Memory booster. Saffron has been shown to have memory-boosting properties and may be helpful for people with age-related memory impairment. Cancer prevention. Saffron has been shown to have cancer-fighting properties and may be helpful in preventing the growth of cancer cells. Now, let's talk about how to use saffron. Saffron threads can be infused in hot water or milk to extract their flavor and color. This liquid can then be added to various dishes, such as rice, soup, or stews, to give them a rich, golden color and a unique flavor. Saffron can also be ground into a powder and used as a spice to flavor desserts, such as cakes and pastries. When buying saffron, it is important to choose a high-quality product. Look for saffron threads that are deep red in color, with a strong aroma and flavor. Avoid buying saffron powder, as it is often adulterated with other substances and may not be pure saffron. In conclusion, Persian saffron is a spice that is highly valued for its unique flavor, aroma, and color. The next time you use saffron in your cooking, remember that you are not just adding flavor, but also providing your body with numerous health benefits.